Anyway, guys, this is Samara Pizan Vasela. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. For I love you. So, before we get to Amahle, guys, Usima uyakhala lapha ko Instagram, and this is what she posted. Hey, bandla, asicaleleni phansi sizothini. So she has now opened a new TikTok account. It is currently sitting on 13,000 followers after losing a TikTok account that has 2 million followers. Guys, I guess next time she will do a research before accepting a campaign. Guys, not every money it's a good money. So anyway, guys, let's get to Amahle, guys. Anyway, guys, I really don't blame Amahle, guys. It's not easy to share a husband, no Terrell. How many times have you seen Umayeni and Terrell going out? Even on Sunday, Terrell shared a campaign. She was with Mayeni and Spindi, guys. We have never seen Uspindi and Amahle outside the Izingani's Temple season 3, guys. So it's very hard for her to participate, acting as if they are so fine, they are okay. She has now removed the pictures amalobolo laphana ku Instagram. People are saying ukuthi she's done being an actress laphana kwaMseleko, guys. She doesn't want to be like Makwela. You can see ukuthi uMakwela, guys, she doesn't care, she's gonna begezela. But when it comes to Amahle, she's tired, guys. She has removed everything. I don't know whether they are still together on Mpumelelo, guys. We're gonna find out on season 4. Guys, we know of your guys Ulikanda le country. A few days ago, she went to take it to do Imami makeover. So today, this is what she posted on her Instagram account to update her followers to say, guys, I'm okay, I'm fine, feeling a lot better today. You can see, guys, she's looking amazing. If you cannot fetch your summer body in the gym, you can go to take it, guys. If you do have the money, it's all about having money, guys. You can get the body that you want as long as you have the money. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment.